In March, we put a few small archerfish in a little aquarium, and they shot through the water like little bullets, bursting with energy. I looked forward to watching them grow up and shoot water from their mouths to catch food. The young archerfish are voracious eaters. The archerfish dart around the small tank, chasing one another. By May, the 3 archerfish had been moved to a larger tank. Good eaters grow fast. Differences in size begin to appear among them. Some are big, others are small. One fish soon showed exposed white flesh on its tail. It had been bitten. I immediately moved it back into the small tank. Slowly its tail healed, and the damaged area turned black again. But archerfish need more space. They would have to return to the large tank. On August 20th, I installed a divider in the large tank to separate the 2 archerfish. The divider has gaps along the sides. August 21st. One tank could not hold 2 fish. Can humans coexist? Within this book, you will find jade figures with their hands raised, in a gesture of ritual respect. 5,000 years ago, even during the Stone Age, people already understood how to live in harmony and treat one another with goodwill. Perhaps rational human beings can achieve this, too, by supporting one another and learning to coexist.